Floorseal Tarmac Restorer for driveways is a professional sealer and color restorer for black tarmacs, suitable for recoloring faded tarmacs, providing a new lease of life. It colors, seals and replaces lost resin from tarmac, providing long-lasting protection from the elements and organic growth. Ensure the driveway is clear of dirt and organic growth by lightly pressure washing. Once dry, sweep the surface, removing any dead moss and loose grit. Lightly wire brush if required. You should then treat the surface with Floorseal Green Remover Concentrate and allow to dry. Pour the Tarmac Restorer into a container and stir so the active ingredients are fully mixed. Use a paintbrush to carefully cut in along the edges. Mask off adjacent surfaces if required. Use a fluffy emulsion roller on an extendable pole to apply the product. Move across the entire surface in even strokes. Take care to work the product into any pits and low spots in the tarmac. Wait for 3 to 4 hours, then apply a second coat. This second application will be completed more quickly than the first, as any pitting in the tarmac will already be covered. Allow the product to dry over 3 to 4 hours, then cure over the next 24 hours. You will be able to walk on the surface during the curing time, but don't park your car on the tarmac until the next day. Floorseal Tarmac Restorer for driveways is a superior alternative to tarmac paints and bitumen coatings, which can flake, peel and blister. A more environmentally friendly and easy-to-use option for sealing and recoloring faded and worn tarmacs.